Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. It's really simple and easy. So I will show you a simple process that will only take about some minutes. Let's get started. So open Google Drive, head over to your browser and open your Google Drive account. Once you are in Google Drive, you will see various options on the left hand side. But we are interested in the new button for creating a new files. This is where our journey to adding an electronic signature begins. Click on New and from the drop down menu select Google Forms. This will let you either open an existing form or create a new one. So opt for the form you like to add a signature to, whether it's an existing one or a new one. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on these three vertical dots which indicate more options. Click on these dots and you will see an option named Get Add-ons. This is where Google allows you to enhance forms with additional functionalities. Once you click on Get Add-ons, a window will pop up where you can search for the add-on you need. In the search bar at the top, type in signature. This action will present various add-ons that can incorporate electric signature capabilities into your Google Forms. Review these options and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on Install for the chosen add-on and Google will prompt you to connect it to your email account. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account before proceeding. After successfully connecting the add-on, you will click on the Continue. Follow any additional prompts to proceed until you see a Done button. This indicates the installation process is complete. Once the add-on is installed, return to your Google Form to activate the electronic signature feature. Access the add-ons menu in the same three dots menu where you initially clicked add-ons. You will see newly installed signature tools. Select this tool and opt for open. From here, you will sync the add-on to your form, allowing you to integrate the electronic signature elements seamlessly into your document. And there you have it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add an electronic signature in your Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.